Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off this front screen. So in my case it's currently turned off. To turn it on, now we have to open the quick panel. So we have to drag from the upper section of the screen and then we'll find this option right here in this place. As you can see, I just turned it off, but if you want to activate you have to select one of the following options. For example, this one. It will be on the full screen, so take a look. Right now we are on the dashboard, so when you click here and turn it off, we got the preview of this camera on the front screen. We can also adjust this option for sure, so we can, for example, change to only get the status. And right now we'll only get the base information about battery level, left space on our SD card, about the currently mode, and the length of the record. If you want to turn off the screen, just go for this option to turn it off and click on the marker to confirm. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.